Ahwatukee Laundry Room Remodeling. Thinking about remodeling your outdated laundry space? Unveil the hidden charm of laundry day through a transformative laundry room remodel. Explore the captivating fusion of innovation and design as you breathe new life into your laundry room's functionality and storage. Schedule a consultation today to bring back the laundry area sparks you've been longing for. Laundry Room Remodeling Services in Ahwatukee, Arizona. How can you bring back the spark in your laundry room if you stick with your old one? Imagine a laundry room that transcends the mundane and transforms into a haven of inspiration and functionality. Our expert design build model allows us to breathe new life into your laundry space. We'll embark on a collaborative journey to turn your laundry room dreams into reality. Our team of skilled professionals understands the importance of creating a space that aligns with your unique vision and lifestyle. Whether you crave a modern and sleek laundry room or a cozy and rustic retreat, we have the expertise to bring your ideas to reality. From selecting the perfect color palette and materials to optimizing storage solutions and incorporating innovative appliances, every detail will be meticulously designed and then crafted to elevate your laundry experience. With Phoenix Home Remodeling, you won't have to settle for your old laundry room's uninspiring ambience. Instead, you can look forward to a laundry space that sparks joy, efficiency, and rejuvenation. Let us help you rediscover the true potential of your laundry room and transform it into a place where chores become a delight. Contact us today to help with your laundry room remodeling in Ahwatukee. Hiring a laundry room remodeling contractor that fits your needs. When hiring a laundry room remodeling contractor, it's essential to find someone who understands your needs and can deliver the results you want. Here are some steps to help you find a contractor that fits your requirements. Define your project goals. Before searching for a contractor, determine what you want to achieve with your laundry room remodel. Ask for recommendations from friends, family, neighbors, or colleagues recently undertaking remodeling projects. Personal referrals are valuable as they come from trusted sources who can provide insights into their experiences with contractors. Thank you for watching this video. Our team at Phoenix Home Remodeling will take great care of you and your home. If you are interested in remodeling, our telephone number is 602-492-8205. You can also visit us online at phxhomeremodeling.com.